Alright, so I've been thinking about doing one of these for a while, a setup video for my beard. So this is my beard. I just woke up. You can probably see I have like an indent on the chin and around here a little bit. That's because of the way I wear my beard. I wear it braided. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. Hold on. Like it's not gonna be a super good braid, but you'll get the idea. And so the hairs that I take from the middle kind of get pushed back by the other two sides. Creates that. I don't really like that, but there's no way around it. Always comb your beard. Always. So yeah, I made it a little more obvious that like the wave of the beard goes out. Oh, and also, so I recently trimmed the hairs down to about right here. These ones are much shorter, about this length. Meanwhile, down here, these ones go all the way down to the bottom of this. Alright, I'm gonna hop in the shower and show you guys what I do right out of the shower with this. Alright, fresh out the shower, I'm gonna dry this baby off. So this is the first stage, right? Looks messy, all over the place, but it kind of falls straight down. I can kind of walk around with this, but everything we do now just makes it better. Alright, so one thing I want to tell you guys, I use a heater. Like as soon as I got out of the shower, I turned on a heater on low, and it heats the room up, and I noticed that I would have trouble getting the wetness out of my beard that's deep in here, like under my chin, under all these hairs, and that the heater like makes it evaporate out of my beard. And then one final thing I will also do is I will comb my beard in front of it, and ever since I started doing that, I like the way my beard looks so much more. So here, I'll show you. This is what it looks like now. Kind of comes out, right? So we're gonna take the heater, and then when I comb it in front of it, I put it on high. It's kind of like using a blow dryer, just a little different. So I have it on high temperature, so it's gonna be really hot. Let me see if I can get an angle on this. Alright, you can't really see it, but you can see my beard being pushed by it. So I'm just going to comb it right in front of it. I'm going to comb down and use my hand to follow it, just to give even more of a straight down look, because that's what I want with my beard. This also helps get out a lot of kinks in my beard. Very deep ones that I don't think I would have gotten without doing this. Alright. Done with the heater, put it back down there, and alright, it still kind of goes out, but it looks a lot more uniform, a lot more like the hairs are where they should be. These side ones, I always have problems with these. At this length, my beard hair just does not work very well, but that's the length I needed at for this look, so I try. Beard oil. This is the one I'm using right now. I think my mom got it from CVS. I'm just using it to get rid of it. Beard oil is not that important as long as there's, you know, the essential oils in it. It's not like you can get a bad beard oil. And then I also, while in the shower, I washed with the same brand, same thing, face wash and scruff softener. I'll do that about once a week, or if it's really dirty, I'll do it when it's really dirty. So with the beard like mine, I have to use quite a bit of beard oil. I'll show you my fingers after I lather them up, and I'm probably gonna have to do what I'm about to do twice. I use this much beard oil twice, so there you go. Just a little bit of drops on all of my fingers. I use three fingers. I don't like to use my pinky, I don't know why. Just work it in everywhere. Alright. Maybe not as much as the first time, but I definitely need a little bit more. There's some dryness still in this length. And then rub your oily fingers in all the rest of your hair. Don't let it go to waste. It's healthy for your hair. I'm gonna just wash my hands real quick. Alright, now that I'm all oiled up, I'm going to show you how I braid it. So, this is going to be my beard bead. It's like a cool hammer. I believe that's in, might be an F, I don't know, in some Old Norse language. Pretty cool. And then, if you're gonna do it my way, you need a loop, like a very skinny loop. Right here, I have an old hairband that I've kind of stripped the elastic out of. So right here is where there's some elastic in here, but as you get over to right over here, this is some elastic right here. Like, it's all out in here, and that's created a very thin but strong string. So I take a loop, put it through the beard bead. This one, I want it to look like this. I want the hammerhead to be on top. So the part I want on the top top right here, is where the loop's gonna come out of. So I put the loop through like that, and now when I pull my beard through here, the bead will be up like this. So put that to the side now for now though. You'll also need some little black rubber bands. Don't need to be black, doesn't matter the color. Just little rubber bands. I mine from CVS. 500 pack. I'm not running out anytime soon. Stretch it out, get it stretchy. And set that aside. You will need that immediately after this step. So next, I section my beard off into 3 parts. We have the middle. I try to get my whole chin at the start, and then as I go back, it kind of creates a triangle like this to the end of my beard. I do that. I did a lot of trial and error when I started doing this, and that is the best way to get my beard braid to come off of my chin and not come from like back here. It looks weird when the braid's like focused on a central location in like the middle of my jaw or my neck. That it looks best coming off of the chin. So look in the mirror. Right there, you can see the shape. You see how it kind of forms into a triangle as it goes in. And I'm going to take this and separate the other 2 from it. And so I let go of the middle one. This is the easiest, quickest way I found to do this. Take one and put it over, it doesn't matter which one. And you're just going to keep like twisting them in between your fingers. So take that one, pull it with this hand, get this ready, pull it over, and then just go, so it starts like this, right? Just go outside, in on one side, and then outside over the middle one on the other side, and just rotate back and forth. So outside, over the middle, outside, over the middle, outside, over the middle, outside, over the middle. We'll end up with this. Kind of sloppy, but came out pretty good. Might have to redo it. Sometimes I have to redo it like 5-6 times. Put this around, put it on a bunch, tighten it up. A helpful tip for getting the beard bead on is, I didn't do it, but putting the rubber band down slowly. So do a loop up here, do a loop a little bit further down, loop a little further down, loop a little further down, and that'll keep this all very uniform. And it makes it easy to get the beard bead on when you do that. So this is what we're working with now. Take our beard bead and loop, get the loop around the beard. Now I'm probably gonna have to go low on this one, probably down to about here. And then you just pull it through. Try to get a good angle for you. Oh. Try to get a good angle. So you just kind of pull it through. This one's being difficult. Being so difficult. Alright, let me try to re-braid it a little differently. This is how it looks though, you get the idea. Yeah, taking it off's easy, you just slide it down. Especially if your beard's oiled up, it'll slide right down. And then after you do it too, you kind of get these 3 strands. You can comb it right back in. It'll stay wavy for a while, but after, you know, every hour it gets back to normal more. And then within like 24 hours, basically like it didn't happen. I'm also braiding it out this way. This also helps make the beard braid fall off of my chin rather than anything else, like my neck. Alright, this one I went really far down. Didn't know I could get that far down. It's like the farthest down I've made a braid yet. In this one, I'm gonna do the trick of going down a little bit with the loops. So as you can see, my rubber band starts here and it goes all the way down here. And it keeps it together a little better. And the beard bead's gonna go over that, so it's gonna cover it anyways. Check it out. Not too bad. A little to the side, but could fix that by adjusting up at the chin. Alright. Get that angle. See, that one's pretty good. It's pretty good. Gotta fix its orientation up again a little bit. But yeah, almost pretty good. If you're scared of it falling off, pull it up as far as you can up, tighten it up, and flare this out. Flaring it out will help keep it there a little better. But if it's on as tight as mine is, it's probably not going to fall off. I've only had it fall off a couple of times out in public, but those were when I was still learning how to do it, and I didn't have it on very tightly. This is on pretty tightly. This is going to stay for a whole day. Maybe stay forever. Alright. That's how I braid my beard, guys. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.